Interior design transforms a house into a home, creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional. It goes beyond mere decoration, focusing on how people experience and interact with their environment. Interior design encompasses layout, furnishings, lighting, colors, textures, and materials. These elements work together to meet practical and emotional needs, enhancing quality of life and cultural expression within a space. An interior design concept serves as the guiding principle for a project, ensuring cohesion and purpose. It reflects the occupant's personalities and needs, whether through minimalist simplicity or eclectic individuality. Each room has unique design needs. Bedrooms require calming colors and cozy textures, while living rooms benefit from comfortable seating and statement pieces. Kitchens focus on efficient layouts, and bathrooms prioritize functionality and relaxation. Interior design impacts psychological well-being, with colors and lighting influencing mood. A well-designed home also increases property value, attracting potential buyers and providing personal satisfaction, making it a worthwhile investment.